From the ISS program, NASA's learned really what happens to the human body in zero-G over long-duration flights. When we go to Mars, we'll be committing those people to a long-duration mission, so it's imperative that we know what that's going to do to their bodies. You know, I think the greatest thing the ISS has taught us is really that you need to be flexible and modular. We've moved modules around on the ISS, we've moved docking ports around. I wish everybody understood that the ISS requires a large team of people that are looking at millions of pieces of data every day. It's a very detail-oriented operation. So my best memory of ISS support is actually a personal memory. I met my wife there. We were both flight controllers. We met in MCC, and actually I proposed to her in the flight control room. As the ISS moves forward, I hope to see it continue as a zero-G laboratory. I hope to see it as a test bed for long-duration deep space missions so we can test out new hardware and designs.
My best memories are the stressful ones, but when we've had things that have gone wrong on space station that needed to be fixed quickly, just watching the teams, the leaders, the engineers, the safety folks, the health and performance folks all come together very quickly, sacrifice time with their families, work 24 hours a day until that problem was fixed and solved. It's just amazing watching the people come together to keep this thing working. NASA has learned so much from the ISS program. It's amazing. Everything from how to live in space for long periods of time, and for me, from the engineering side, what we've really learned is how do you keep a really, really complex machine working continuously? Those are questions that we need to answer to make it to Mars, to far-off destinations, and the space station has been really important for helping us get there.
NASA has learned so much from the ISS program. That collaboration across different countries with a common goal has been significant. Since we started building this project here at the Kennedy Space Center, we had to assemble all the components and test the systems to make sure that they will work here as they were intended. When I originally started, ISS was only supposed to be 15 years. Now we're at 25 years. So being able to see that still in space, and now I'm launching astronauts that are going to ISS to be living in those modules that I help test and integrate here on the ground is extremely rewarding. As ISS continues its mission, I hope that we see a lot of more breakthroughs in research. So I hope that all the different testing is going to enable us when we go to the moon and to Mars to better understand how the human body will endure during those long duration missions.
Happy 25th, ISS.
Happy 25 years, International Space Station.
Happy 25 years, International Space Station. We're really looking forward to see what the future holds.